It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, dead straight.
Alright y'all, so before we get to the actual review today, I'm back over here at Aramco. I had to pick something up because they actually sent the wrong piece, so I'm gonna be returning that to Jegs. But we're gonna slide in here. I'm gonna show you guys how Thirsty looking right now while she's still going through these little minor upgrades, you know what I'm saying? So all that's been taken out. That's crazy, Phil. Man, oh man. Back at the crib, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and run you guys down what you guys just saw. So if you are new to the channel, appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. If you are new and you are not yet subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. That way you guys don't miss out on any of the content I drop on the channel. So what you guys just saw in the beginning of the video, that is my car, Thirsty. It's a 1984 Buick Regal. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking out the old transmission and engine and all that stuff underneath there, and I'm putting a new transmission and engine in there. So what you guys saw was the old transmission. You guys can see they playing around. They took out the front and everything, so they're gonna drop the new engine and transmission in. But what happened was the saddles that are supposed to go in there, they don't match, and Jag sent me the wrong size. You guys saw the new engine and you guys saw the mounts that are on there, so that is gonna be dropping in there soon. Those boxes at the end that you guys saw, that is actually the exhaust that's gonna be going on the car. So I'm super excited. Stay tuned to the channel. I will keep you guys updated because I plan to bring car stuff to the channel as well. So now getting into the sneakers, y'all. So back in 2012, I wanted this shoe super bad. This is a classic sneaker from 1996, and when I tried the shoe on, I was going with 10.5 back then, so I was like, yo, I'm gonna try 10.5 or an 11. When I tried for the 10.5, it was way too tight. When I tried for the 11, I was like, man, that thing don't even feel no different than the 10.5. So I was like, all right, let me get an 11.5. When I tried the 11.5 one, I was just like, yo, nah, these way too big, G. And they were just way too bulky, I felt like. Now the shoe is a bulky shoe, don't get me wrong, but I do feel like over the last couple of years they have made minor modifications to the way that the shoe fits. That's me personally, just because how I look at it from when I tried to get these in 2012, 2016 when they dropped. I was overseas in Germany and we did not get these over there. If they did, they didn't come in my area. But now 2020, finally able to add this sneaker to the collection, and it is the Air More Up-Tempo White Midnight Navy. Now the suggested retail sticker on these are $160. Shout out to Shoe Palace, because when I went in there last week to put in my raffle ticket, these were sitting in the glass, and I was like, yo, they was like, you here for the raffle ticket? I was like, I'm here for the raffle ticket, but I want these in a size 11 as well. So yes, finally got the sneaker, and we in there. Yes Lord, man. Finally got these in the collection, y'all. I've been wanting this shoe ever since 2012 when I could afford the shoe, and I was like, man, I need this sneaker. Classic, man. This is from the Olympic Games in 1996 in Atlanta, Georgia. Scottie Pippen wore these. These are Scottie Pippen's signature sneaker. Now, this shoe it's a pretty bulky shoe, like I said, but this is my first up-tempo inside of the collection, so I'm super happy to grab this pair. I think it's only really like 1 or 2 other colorways that I really like. I seen Bullet RC had these first. He was the first sneaker YouTuber I think that I saw that had them, and then I was like, dang, man, I missed that. So then I was about to go on StockX and pay a little extra for him, and I was like, nah, man, I'm gonna wait. They did a restock. Shout out to my bro Willie. I missed out on the restock, and I didn't really miss it. It just wouldn't let me add the cart on Nike. So I was just like, man, you know what? I still was like, I'm gonna just grab these things off of StockX. But when I went in there and I saw them, it was a no-brainer. I had to grab them and I had to have them in the collection. Now, starting off with the bottom of the sneaker, you guys can see it has a nice big red check down there, a smaller red check as well. You have the white and navy blue hits down there. You have the Air right there in white. You do have that nice hit of gold, which you're not really gonna see it really down there on the bottom, but it is a nice touch. Taking a look at the nice chunky midsole going around, you guys can see that Air unit. Now, in that Air unit, you do have that gold hit down there. White and navy going around the whole midsole. You do have that nice little small check on both inner and outer panels of the sneaker with a circle around them. Kind of gives off the vibe that that's like a basketball. The whole upper consists of a white and navy hits, and you guys can see the big air going on the inner and outer panel in white tumbled leather. Now on this, you do have kind of like a nice little nubuck on there. On the toe cap of the sneaker, we do have a navy check right there for the Nike swoosh. Tumbled type leather material. I can't say it's like that Jordan 1 softness, because it's definitely not. Taking a look going up, we do have the little straps going along the upper by the lace system. We do have navy laces inside of these. On the tongue, contrasting like the bottom, you have that white right there with the red check. I love how you have the two pull tabs. You have one on the tongue and one on the back of the heel. We have the number 8 right there for Pippen when he played in the Olympics. Nice big check back there with a see-through look to it with the navy. I really dig this shoe. I'm happy to finally add it in the collection. Now I'm gonna throw these things on feet because I'm dying to throw them on feet, y'all. I gotta be real with y'all. Let's go ahead and check these bad boys out on feet. Yay!
This is my life story. This is what happened for real. This what happened when you miss a little liquor with all of them pills. I was really on the wall, yeah. I was really on the yard, yeah. I was really catching all the ATM plus scamming all the cards, yeah. This is my life story. This is what happened for real. This what happened when you miss a little liquor with all of them pills. This what happened when you miss a little liquor with pills and them scans and them jewels. I done fucked around and turned to a crew. I done fucked around and broke all the rules. I was like, mama, no, I ain't go to college, but I fucked around and learned all my knowledge. Gangsta Disciple 250 to 19, I went to the prison to show I was on it. Whoa, everybody know they ain't liking me. None of them gangsters, they were trying me. I remember when the bloods off in the kitchen, they were hanging, try to knife a G. I would catch them in the shower room, tell them choke them with a dry sheet.
Hope you guys enjoyed their full detail review over the Pippen Olympics, man. These things are just gas to me. I'm happy to finally have them in the collection. It's crazy to me because I'm like, dang, I just got the Flints and they're the same color, but I had to have this. I love Olympic colorways. I do have the Olympic 7s. I used to own the Olympic 6s, which that just would have made it even better. Matter of fact, in 2012, when these came out, these and the Olympic 6s came out around the same time. So I'm glad to finally put it all together, have my nice little Olympic collection. Comment down in the bottom if you guys own this pair or if you plan on trying to pick this pair up. It is your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. I will spin some pictures for you guys. Peace, love in Laguna Beach, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Yeti! And we are back at the crib, y'all, before we get all the way into the full detail review. And I'm going to hit you guys with the on feet just because, dang, I ain't know my vape was sitting there. Out the front and everything. So they're going to drop the new engine and transmission in. But what happened was the saddle, it is what it, then on the tongue, then on the toe box, we have that white tumbled leather right there with the Nike check in blue. Then on the toe box, we have a white Nike. Then on the toe box, we have a white toe cap on the boat. I hope you guys enjoyed the full detail review over the Scottie Pippen Olympic things, man. I know they up-tempos, but I just call them Pippins, man. I call them Pippins because that's what they are.
I'm in the shower room, tell them choke them with a dry sheet. I lock in the sock with another fishing, boy, I know I gotta knock him for trying me. If you don't kill him, I kill him. Whoa. If you don't kill him, I kill him. Whoa. I'ma have to stop my little partner. Whoa. I feel like you really trying to kill me. Whoa. I know they triple crosses in the states in the grass, I got them on my cross. Whoa. I feel like them bitches know that I took a couple lots and now I'm boss. Whoa. I was really on the wall, yeah. I was really on the yard, yeah. I was really catching all the ATM plus scamming all the cards, yeah. This is my life story. This is what happened for real. This what happened when you miss a little liquor with all of them.